Dolphins strengthen social bonds through sharing food and getting frisky, helping them survive in dangerous environments. Florida International University researchers studied rough-toothed dolphins for 6 years. The species is especially difficult for scientists to study because they spend 80% of their time in the ocean depths. But the team captured rare footage of the dolphins off Mexico's west coast. First, they shared food. This behavior is rarely seen in dolphins or whales and is most common in primates and bats. After sharing food, 2 dolphins swam away from the group to act on their love connection. Researchers say dolphins mate for more than just reproduction, and it actually strengthens their social bonds. The findings show how dolphins survive in hostile environments with limited food and lurking predators, and researchers say these dolphins behave the same way as humans do when trying to adapt to challenges. The study was published in the journal Marine Mammal Science.